Try it out. But yeah, that thing is sweet. Just hold that when you ride. Yeah. It's got a Two Brothers exhaust on it and a Brent tune. I think it's pretty much good to go as is. But I think she's gonna get a SC project, which that's gonna be obnoxious, especially with the R1S. She wants to get a Pops and Banks tune. Classic R1 owner. JDL has that JDL moto. The Pops are really nice. I love them, but sometimes it's like, holy shit, that's like crazy amount of Pops. I just like the regular Pops. That the R1 on its own, on diesel, I think it pops here and there. I like that. The Pops and Banks tune makes it a little too much. But hey, if you like it, you like it. It's fun. I can't complain. I enjoy that shit. It's got a quick shifter. She's got a quick shifter now, dude. God damn. I don't have a quick shifter. I need to upgrade. Everyone in the squad's got a fast leader bike now, and I'm over here with my 20-year-old 1000. Literally JDL Moto R1M, Mad CBR with the Fireblade, Lightspeed H2 with the H2, S1K Marquez with the S1K. It's just me and Mexican Ghost Rider with the two old 20-year-old bikes, you know, living life. What are you gonna do? Fuck. She's taunting that she has a quick shit. She heard me talking. Fuck you. Fuck you. I need gas. I don't. I think she needs gas. I don't know why I said that. Where'd she go? Oh. She didn't make that turn. I was literally just talking about how like
I thought you might like turn there. I'm like, oh.
No. I was literally just talking about how like she has a quick shifter now, and like I don't.
I was gonna tell you earlier to show you, but you didn't pay attention, so I was like, alright, I gotta get in front of you.
No, that was perfect. I literally said it, and then you were like, look, and then you do it. I'm like, fuck. Shoot a flame. See, that's cool. I like when bikes do that. My bike don't show flames like that. Lower bike can't do that. Haha. Do that. Oh, she's fast. telling you, it's gonna be very.
Like that tail light.
Huh?
I feel like that tail light.
Fuck you. Fuck. I was in the right gear. Let's go again. You're gonna get me every time. Fuck you. You weigh 100 pounds. Your bike is lowered. You could just punch it. You weigh 100 pounds. This is 20 years old.
Okay.
Alright. Fuck you. Yeah, do that. That was good though. You're just gone. Quite a bit of traffic.